If you're watching this, you know that inefficient UA campaigns often yield a high CPI and result in low ROAS. What you might not know is that using suppression lists to filter out irrelevant audiences can significantly improve your campaign performance. Let's make this practical. Imagine creating an ad campaign for your shopping app that excludes users who shouldn't see the ad. For example, those who've downloaded the app in the last 90 days. Or maybe you're running a cross-promotion campaign, leveraging data on users from all of your apps. In a case like this, you'd likely want to prevent outreach to users who are unlikely to engage due to attributes such as gender, age, etc. In a nutshell, use suppression lists to sharpen your campaign targeting and boost ROAS. Want to see how this is done? Click on the button below and get on track to lowering your CPI using audiences.